According to the National Electrical Code, the conduit used for exposed wiring must be rigid metal or electrical metallic tubing, which is also known as EMT. Flexible conduit is typically not permitted for exposed wiring. National Electrical Code Section 358.10(1) states that exposed runs of service entrance conductors between the meter or service equipment and the first outlet or panel board must be made with rigid metal conduit, intermediate metal conduit, or electrical metallic tubing. There are key differences between rigid conduit and flexible conduit. Rigid conduit provides superior protection against physical damage and is more difficult to bend or deform. Flexible conduit is more flexible and easier to install, but it is not as durable as rigid conduit. When installing exposed wiring, there are several considerations. Firstly, the conduit must be securely fastened to the wall or ceiling. Secondly, the conduit must be installed in a manner that protects the conductors from damage. Thirdly, the conduit must be properly sized to accommodate the number and size of conductors. Fourthly, the conduit must be grounded properly. Given the specific context of Florida, the Florida Building Code adopts the National Electrical Code, so the same requirements apply in Florida. However, the Florida Building Code also requires that all electrical wiring be installed in accordance with the Florida Electrical Code. Florida Electrical Code Rule 69A 10.3.2 states that all service entrance conductors must be installed within rigid service conduit or intermediate metal conduit. Based on these electrical code requirements and the specific requirements in Florida, the conduit used for the exposed wiring from the surface-mounted generator panel to the flush-mounted main panel should be rigid metal conduit or electrical metallic tubing. Flexible conduit is not permitted in this situation.